Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I came to beautiful Istanbul. I love to spend here time during December when it's a little bit cold outside, and of course best option which you can do here during Christmas holidays is to do shopping. That's why in this video we will explore with you main shopping malls and streets or areas in the city. Istanbul is home to a number of modern shopping malls that offer a more comfortable and climate-controlled shopping experience. But after checking most of them, I want to show you in this video my top 3 shopping malls in the city. So this video will be like a shopping guide for you in Istanbul. All of the shopping malls in this video are located in European part of Istanbul because most of tourists choose it for their vacations. And Asian part of the city is more calm and mostly locals live there. And I would like to start here with Istinye Park. You can see it right now on the screen. It is a large modern shopping mall located in the Istinye neighborhood on the European side of Istanbul. It's a high-end mall that offers a wide range of international luxury brands, high-end fashion and designer shops. The mall is known for its modern architecture and design and features a variety of amenities including a cinema, supermarkets, a food court, and a wide range of restaurants and cafes. And I like Istinye Park Mall most of all because it's designed with large open spaces with natural light and has many outdoor sitting areas, making it an ideal spot for a break from shopping. The mall features many luxury brands like Chanel, Gucci, Dior, Prada, and many others. It also has a variety of high street brands like Zara, Mango, and others. The mall also includes a large supermarket where you can find a variety of international and local products, as well as a wide range of food options. The mall's food court has a variety of options including fast food, Turkish street food, and international cuisine such as sushi, Chinese, and Italian. And here I want to mention a very good fish restaurant at the mall at the area named Istinye Pazari. The restaurant Bali Kef was very tasty and fresh fish with very affordable price. And best coffee at the shopping mall is also located in this area, the cafe named Istinye Kahvechisi. In addition, the mall has a cinema complex where you can watch the latest movies and also offers other options like bowling and an ice skating rink, making it a great destination for families as well. The mall is easily accessible by car and by public transportation with a metro station Itu Auzaga nearby. But other two malls, which will be presented later, are directly connected to metro stations, so you don't even need to go outside, which is great when it's too cold or warm weather. And now let's explore Zorlu Center. The main difference between the first mall and Zorlu is that the last one is a large modern complex. Includes a shopping mall, offices, a hotel, very nice apartments, and a performing arts center, making it a popular destination for both shopping and entertainment. The shopping mall at Zorlu Center is also one of the largest and most luxurious in Istanbul. What I also liked a lot here, there is a very modern opened area where you can sit and relax after shopping. But at the same time, the building has low ceilings and it's not so pleasant inside, like at the Istinye Park. The mall is the home to many luxury and high-end fashion brands like Gucci, Prada, and many others. It also features a number of local and international high street fashion brands, home decor shops, and accessories. Also, there is a huge Apple store here. In addition to the shopping mall, Zorlu Center also includes a performing arts center, which hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including theater, music, and dance performances. The complex also includes a 5-star hotel, Raffles Istanbul, which is the best hotel in Turkey, 4th best hotel in Europe, and 16th best hotel in the world, with a variety of room types and amenities to suit different needs. And also the rooms with Bosphorus view will impress you so much. The view is really fantastic. And it's great when you don't need to drive anywhere to do shopping, just walk outside from the hotel and enjoy the shopping center. Zorlu Center is easily accessible by public transportation with the metro station Gayrettepe, when you also don't need to go outside, and it is located in a central location close to Taksim that make it easy to visit from most parts of Istanbul. It is a great option for those who are looking for a combination of luxury shopping and entertainment, and for visitors looking for a stay in a 5-star hotel with a direct access to a shopping center. And now we are coming to Cevahir Shopping Center. It's one of the largest shopping malls in Europe, located in the Shishli district on the European side of Istanbul, and has more than 300 shops, a cinema, and a variety of restaurants and cafes, making it a popular destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment. The mall is known for its vast size and variety of shops, offering everything from fashion and accessories to electronics and home goods. At the mall you can find different international brands and local retailers, catering to different tastes and budgets. The mall also features a number of activities for families, such as an amusement park, a bowling alley, and an ice skating rink. Cevahir Shopping Center is easily accessible by public transportation with a metro station Mecidiyeköy nearby, and is also well connected to the city by car, making it a convenient destination for shoppers from all over Istanbul. It is considered one of the most visited malls in Istanbul because of its variety and size, making it a great destination for those looking for a one-stop shopping experience and for visitors who want a bit of everything in one place. But this shopping center is definitely the oldest one from our list, but still worth it to be visited due to the location and its size. And since we are talking about shopping in Istanbul, this video will be not perfect without mentioning Nisantasi is an upscale neighborhood in Istanbul, known for its luxury shopping. The area is home to many high-end fashion stores, designer boutiques, and luxury department stores. Some of the most popular luxury brands can be found in Nisantasi, such as Chanel, Dior, and Gucci. In addition to these designer shops, Nisantasi also has a number of Turkish luxury brands such as Baymen, Vako, and Geruti. The main shopping street in Nisantasi is called Abdi Apekçi Street, which is lined with the high-end shops and designer boutiques. In addition, Nisantasi also has a number of trendy cafes, restaurants, and bars. It's common for people to take a break from shopping and enjoy a coffee or a meal at one of the neighborhood's many cafes. And there is also a nice hotel here, St. Regis Istanbul, so again it's a great option if you don't want to spend your time in a traffic jam. The neighborhood is a popular destination for both tourists and locals, and is known for its upscale atmosphere and high-end shopping. Here you can also see many photo shootings for different kind of brands. Best way to come to Nisantasi is by metro station named Osman Bey or by car. And what do you think about shopping in Istanbul? Please let me know in comments under this video.